Hello everyone and welcome back to Sara's Abstract Expressions. My name is Sara. Today we're going to be doing a painting. I'm also going to be introducing you to someone new. Her name is Jo. I will link her channel here and in the end, and I'm excited to introduce you to her because she's rather new. I will get you set up and we will get started. So, like I said, I'm very excited to be introducing you to Jo. She's a newer pour painter in our community. She has just over 100 subscribers. I'll post her link here, and also in my description. We decided to do a swipe challenge thing. I don't know, we decided to use similar same colors and, you know, be like, go check out their channel. If you like pour painting, you know, everything's rather similar, so all the colors and the silicone oil I'm using will be in the description below. Prep my canvas with gray. I was going to use white, but I changed my mind. I had added silicone to this, so it looks all funky. So I'm just going to do splotches today, because I feel like it. Whoa. Roman is down here with me, deciding to help. Jeff is sleeping in the other room, so if I'm quiet, now you know. I have an idea in the long run, so it's not end of the world. I have no idea what he's doing down there. All I can hear is weird noises. Oh, you're covered in stuff. Okay. Good stuff, buddy. Good stuff. So I'm going to take a popsicle stick and like run it through it now and see what I can do. And then I'll swipe it. So I'm going to use my gray color to swipe it because, well, to be honest, I'm running low on white. So, gray swipe it is. And I have other things that I want to film, show. And swipe this with gray. You actually get a good result the first time through. Woo! Torch, tilt, tilt, torch. Torch, tilt. Has some neat cells going down on this end that you can't really see because gray and white. So I'm going to tilt this way. So many little cells, I love it. So Jo is one of the more recent friends I've made. I am so happy I made friends with her because she's actually like someone that has similar goals to me on YouTube. So that's nice. So for this flyby, you're going to have to wait till the next video to see how this one actually ends up turning out. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Like this video if you like this painting. Make sure you check out Jo's channel, which will be linked here in the end screen, and I will see you on the next one.